Okay, good evening, everyone. Tonight is Thursday. It is April 11th of 2019, and it's past after 9 o'clock Central Time, so I'm just going to do a really quick little recap here. One question I get quite a bit is, Ken, do you trade at night? Even though I tell everybody I do, some people are still kept skeptical whether I'm actually trading at night as well. I guess there's that feeling that the market does not have enough participation. That's just not the case. And so I've made a few videos like this before. I don't make a lot of them, but I'm going to do this one more time to show everybody that yes, I do trade. I do trade my own account, and yes, I do trade at night, and you can do size. So anyway, here we are. This is my account, and you can actually, you can get some really good bids and offers out there in the night trading. That's why it's my favorite time to trade. But anyhow, let's go to my account and let's go to history, transactions. And I'm just going to go for the looking at tonight's trading. So you can see that I only trade for a couple hours at night. And let's do a view history. This is my view history. Okay, so what you can see here is, I don't know if, can you see that? Yeah, I hope you can see that. Bring this down a little bit here. Okay, so I started off, you can see, a little bit after 7. Didn't get my first trade off until 7:30. That's when I saw my first setup. I did take it. It was a loss, but it also turned into a continuation, which is a follow-up to one of these patterns. And I did put size on those because the continuations are a very strong setup pattern. And I did win on that. And then I had a crystal ball trade that came in. And this was at, what, about 8:45. And I went ahead and I took that. And that I did a 10 lot on that because crystal balls are very strong. And if you add this all up, you'll see that this comes to an exactly $200 profit tonight. And I only did it with 3 trades in 2 hours. So you don't have to trade a lot at night if you can be highly selective in your trading and try to get some decent premium. The other thing is, you notice that a lot of these orders are split up. I do put them in size, but this is not unusual to see this because most traders, retail traders, are only trading 1 and 2 lots. Every once in a while you see some 50 lots come in there, and you'll see some 20 lots and 10s and 5s and 2s, but typically 1s and 2s are what I see a lot of, and that's why they kind of split up your orders like this. So it's not that I put it in and went into after it again. I throw it in there and they just divvy it up among whoever will take the other side of my trades. So that's it. But I wanted to show you that, you know what, night trading is a great time to trade. The only time you have to do is to trade at night, then that's ideal because you can do quite well within the first few hours every night. Sometimes you have to carry it maybe another hour, but most times I can do it within a couple hours. But don't ignore the night trading because it can be extremely profitable for you, particularly if your days are not going too good. When the days are choppy, it seems like the nights are really good. So anyhow, that's it. Hope everybody has a good night. Any questions, comments, please leave them below, and I'll come back later and answer those for you.